Dear aspirants, welcome to my channel. So already 5 marks question part 1 I have already explained. So now I am going to explain remaining question in the part 2. So this is Diploma C25 Mechanical Engineering 3rd semester model question paper, Mechanics of Materials, and subject code is 25ME31I. So part D, already section 1, in that first question I have explained in the part D video. So first you watch that video, then you can watch part 2 video. We'll see next important questions. The next question is explain the different types of stresses. So coming to a different types of stresses, one is an tensile stress. Tensile stress nothing but load by area. Here tensile stress, it means stress developed when the body is subjected to a pulling force along with elongation. That's why we call it as a tensile. Pulling nothing but tensile force. So you can write the formula sigma C stress nothing but sigma T divided by P by area. Next will be an compressive stress. Compressive stress nothing but the stress developed when a body subject to a pushing force causes shortening, means pushing, compress. That is the formula we can represent sigma C is equal to P by area. Next coming to a third is shear stress. Shear stress nothing but when the stress developed, okay, stress developed when the force acting parallel to the cross sectional area causing one layer to slide over another layer, nothing but it is a stress which will be develops. This is we call it as in shear force. There is the force, the shear force parallel to each other. So that the formula is tau is equal to P by area. Next is bending stress. The stress developed on a member when it is subjected to a bending moment, it produces tension on one side, compression on another side. Nothing but bending, like this bend. One side is tension, one side is compression. Next is torsional stress. The stress developed in a member when it is subjected to a twisting moment or a torque. It is mainly on shear stress, nothing but twisting, turning, that we call it as an torsional stress. Next is you will get same question in the exam. So a steel plate, third question, a steel plate having a cross sectional area 800 mm square subjected to a tensile load 100 kilonewton, yield stress is 300 megapascal, and determine the design safe and calculate the factor of safety we need to calculate. The given data you can write cross sectional area is equal to 800 mm square, tensile load is 100 kilonewton, you can also convert it to Newton, multiply by 10 raised to 3, and yield stress sigma nothing but 300 megapascal. First we know, you can see the diagram, you can write this is the tensile force away from the pull. So this is the diagram, total cross sectional area it is given here in this diagram. So coming to I calculate the tensile stress nothing but load by area, P by area, this formula we are going to use. We already it is given in the question. P is 10,000 Newton and area is equal to 800 mm square. If you solve, you will get a 120 Newton per mm square. That you can convert it into 1 megapascal. 1 Newton per mm square and 1 megapascal is equal to 1 Newton per mm square. Okay, this you can write. So once you calculated sigma, so you can calculate the factor of safety. So you have to calculate the factor of safety. Factor of safety nothing but yield stress divided by working stress. So working stress nothing but tensile stress you have calculated, no working stress, that will be an tensile stress. Yield stress already they given in the question 300 megapascal. So factor of safety formula yield stress divided by working stress. Factor of safety is equal to 300 megapascal divided by 125 megapascal. You will get a factor of safety is 2.4. And while coming to the safety check, so working stress is 120 megapascal, yield stress is 300 megapascal. Since working stress is less than 300 megapascal, therefore the working stress is less than the yield stress, the design is safe. Okay, the final answer you have to write factor of safety is 2.4 and design is safe. Okay, if the content is useful, please subscribe my channel, share and support. You have to watch till end, and remaining questions I am going to upload next video. Thank you.